In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CS to a Wix Studio website. First, open your website inside the Wix Studio editor. This is where you will manage both the design and the code for your site. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click the code icon with the curly braces. This opens the coding tools available in Wix Studio and gives you access to the developer platform features you will need for custom styling. If coding has not been enabled yet, click Start Coding manually. This activates the developer platform so you can work directly with the site's code files. After that, go to the Code panel and under the Page Code section, navigate to the CSS category. Here, click on Global CSS. If you don't see that file yet, click the plus icon to create it. The global CSS file acts as the central style sheet for your website. In other words, any styles you place here can be used across your entire site, which makes it the best place to manage consistent visual updates. This is especially helpful if you want to keep your branding and spacing uniform from page to page. Next, you'll want to decide how you are targeting the elements you plan to style. One option is to use custom classes, which is usually the recommended approach when you want to style specific items. To do that, click on the element you want to customize, such as a button or a container box, directly on the canvas. Then, open the CS Classes Properties panel on the right-hand side. In the Custom Classes input field, type your class name and press Enter to assign it. The other option is to use Wix Global Classes. To do this, select any component on the canvas while your CS panel is open. Then check the CS Classes panel to view the default semantic classes that Wix maps to that element. These built-in classes can be useful when you want to style elements based on Wix's native structure, rather than assigning your own class names. Once your target class is ready, go back to the Open Global CSS file and write your CSS, using standard syntax. This is where you define the visual styling for your classes. As an extra tip, you can also use your preset site theme CS variables inside the file. That helps your custom styles stay aligned with your site's existing colors, typography, and overall brand guide while making future updates much easier. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.